Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where an affiliate earns a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. The commission is based on a percentage of the sale made through the affiliate's unique affiliate link. Here's how to make money by affiliate marketing in detail. Choose a niche. First, choose a niche that you're passionate about or have knowledge of. You should have an understanding of the target audience's needs and interests in the niche. Join an affiliate program. Next, find an affiliate program that fits your niche. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareAsle. You can also find affiliate programs by searching for them on Google or through affiliate networks. Promote the products. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you'll be given a unique affiliate link. You can promote the products through various channels such as a blog, social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Be sure to disclose that you're using an affiliate link. Provide value. To make money with affiliate marketing, it's important to provide value to your audience. Don't just promote products but offer helpful and informative content related to your niche. Build trust with your audience, and they'll be more likely to buy through your affiliate link. Track your performance. Most affiliate programs offer performance tracking tools to help you monitor your performance. You can track clicks, conversions, and earnings to see what's working and what's not. Use this information to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. Scale up. As you start making money with affiliate marketing, you can scale up your efforts by promoting more products or services, expanding your audience, and exploring new channels. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online, but it requires effort, patience, and strategy. Choose a niche, join an affiliate program, promote products, provide value, track your performance, and scale up your efforts to maximize your earnings. Affiliate marketing is a popular marketing strategy in which a company pays affiliates, individuals or other businesses, a commission for promoting their products or services and driving traffic or sales to their website. Here are some pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Pros. Cost-effective. Affiliate marketing is a cost-effective way to promote products or services because the company only pays the affiliate when they successfully generate a sale or lead. Expands reach. Affiliates have their own networks and audience, which can help the company reach a larger audience and potentially gain new customers. Builds trust. When a reputable affiliate promotes a product or service, it can lend credibility and trust to the company and its offerings. Easy to set up. Affiliate marketing programs can be easy to set up and manage, with various platforms and tools available to help companies launch and monitor their programs. Cons. Dependence on affiliates. The success of affiliate marketing relies heavily on the quality and effectiveness of the affiliates promoting the company's products or services. Commission fees. The commission fees paid to affiliates can add up, and if not managed properly, can eat into a company's profits. Fraudulent affiliates. There is a risk of fraudulent affiliates who use unethical practices to drive traffic or sales, which can harm a company's reputation. Limited control. Companies have limited control over how their products or services are promoted and represented by their affiliates, which can be a concern for brand management and consistency. Overall, affiliate marketing can be an effective and cost-efficient marketing strategy for businesses, but it is important to carefully manage and monitor the program to mitigate potential risks and maximize its benefits.